Hi, I'm Alex and I make pop-up books. Today I'm going to show you how to make a chomping pop-up animal. Om nom 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 nom. To make your chomping pop-up animal, you're going to need paper, colouring pens or pencils, and scissors. You don't actually have to use scissors to make your chomping pop-up animal, but if you do want to use scissors, please ask an adult to help. Okay, let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to fold a piece of paper in half. Then we're going to make a small cut about halfway up the folded edge. And if you're not using scissors, you can just rip the paper. It's actually a lot more fun. Next, you need to fold the paper so that you've got two triangular flaps. Fold these flaps again to make sure the creases are really deep. Now open the paper up and push the flaps inside. And this is the chomping mouth of your pop-up animal. For this next part, you're going to need a pen, and this is my favourite bit. Now we're going to draw our animal. You can draw any animal you like, but I'm going to draw a dog because dogs are my favourite. I'll start by drawing the mouth. We're going to give him a big smiley mouth. And I'm going to give him a slobbery, wet tongue. Ugh. And nose. Some big puppy dog eyes. And some floppy ears. A few more details, and it's all done. And when you're happy with how your animal looks, you can have some fun colouring it in. Brilliant. And I also made my pop-up dog his favourite food to chomp on. A bone. Nom 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 nom. And you can experiment with making different animals. You could add some teeth to make a shark and feed it fish. Om nom 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 nom. You could add a tongue to make a frog and yuck, feed it flies. Nom 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 nom. You could even make a pop-up version of yourself with a pop-up nose and a chomping mouth. And my favourite food is burgers. Om nom 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 nom. So give it a try. Your very own chomping pop-up animal.